Hilda, I know I did not use the recipe complete, which is I did not use ugu or water leaf, but I used the vegetable I found here in Italy. But following this step, let's make EDIKA IKONG. EDIKA IKONG is a Calabar vegetable soup. It's made up of ugu leaf and water leaf, but I'm in abroad. I live in Italy, so I don't have ugu leaf and don't have water leaf. So I'm going to be using the two common vegetables I get here. So this is 500 grams of spinach, already washed and firmly chopped. Okay, so here I have something that is called shima di rapa. Shima di rapa is broccoli leaf. I've never tried this before, this combination before. This is my first time. My kitchen is like a lab for me. I experiment using my kitchen when it comes to cooking. Okay, so 300 grams of shima de rapa, which is broccoli leaf, and 500 grams of spinach, already both firmly chopped. So now let's get to cooking. I'm going to be using Hilda Baci's recipe for this because she's a Calabar and Calabar people know how to cook their soup very well. So I'm going to be following her recipes using the ingredients that I have. So let's get cooking. Okay, let's start by seasoning the meat. I'm going to be adding my scotch bonnet pepper and onion blend into the meat. Then I'm going to go in with stockfish. After this stockfish, I'm going to go in with seasoning cubes. She used asu, Gino, Maggi. I need that asu here in Italy. I don't know how to get it. I need to try that asu. Then I added some salt and another pepper. So I'm going to give that a quick stir and also going to be adding water because she added water and said that this meat has to cook down. You have to cook it until the liquid dried up and become thick. So that is exactly what I'm going to be doing. So as you guys can see here, the meat have cooked down, is cooked, and the liquid is thick enough. I transferred the meat into another pan. Now I'm going to be adding my red oil. This is onion, blended onion. You can chop your onion. Blend her onion with pepper, but I already added a lot of pepper in the meat, and my kids need to eat this. My kids are mixed, so I don't want to overpower this with pepper. Now I added the meat back into the pan after allowing the onion to cook for 2 minutes. I'm going to give that a quick stir. After that, I'm going to be adding crayfish. Enough crayfish. Thank God for my friends that just came back from Nigeria that bumped me with a lot of crayfish. So she added the stock at this point. So I'm going to be adding the stock. As you can see, do you see how thick that stock is? Yeah. So right now, after stirring everything together, I'm going to be adding the spinach. If you look closely, you will see how I chop the spinach. If you want me to make a video on how I chop this spinach, let me know at the comment section as well. Going to be adding the catfish. I cleaned the catfish already, and the stockfish that was cooked with the meat. Stir everything together. After stirring them, I'm going to be adding the rest of the crayfish, the palm oil. Put the lid on. She said to count to 1 to 70 before then open it and add the ugu leaf, which I don't have ugu leaf. I'm going to be adding the shima de rapa, which is broccoli leaf. So that is what I'm going to be doing here. She said count to 1 to 70. I actually let this cook for 2 minutes, but you can count 1 to 70. Okay, so after that, I'm going to put the lid on and allow them to cook for 2 minutes or 1 to 70 according to Hilda. Okay, so just do what works for you, but following her recipe and adding your own touch it will give you the best vegetable soup ever. So now I'm going to be adding the shima de rapa, which is broccoli leaf, and after that I'm going to give it a quick stir, put the lid on and allow it to cook for like 2 to 3 minutes, and that is done. Guys, I never had, since I left Nigeria, I have never ever had this type of vegetable soup before. Follow this recipe, guys. Oh my goodness, I no longer like to swear. If not, I will have swear to this soup, but I don't swear. Okay, I promise you will not regret this recipe. Hilda, thank you. That is all I can say. I finally found a recipe that I can relate to, that I will always go to. This was delicious, guys. The moment of the truth, guys. So I have my semolina here. The spinach is still releasing water, but that is okay as well. So let's test. This is how I pump mine. My God, if you live in Italy, and EDIKA IKONG, you want to eat EDIKA IKONG, use this recipe. Use this vegetable recipe that I use for your EDIKA IKONG. Hilda, I know I did not use the recipe complete, which is I did not use ugu or water leaf, but I used the vegetable I found here in Italy. But following this step is perfect. Guys, this is perfect. Like, you can't stop eating it. Shima the wrapper and spinach will give you exactly what ugu and water leaf gives you in EDIKA IKONG. Oh my god, girl, I have to go to eat. Bon appetito, and try this. Give this a try. You will not regret it. You will not.